Welcome back to our channel. Let's make nutritious food. Today we will prepare a healthy dosa. Take a bowl and add 1 cup of Bengal gram flour. Add 1 cup of multigrain atta. Add ajwain. Add salt according to your taste. Now add water and mix it properly and make sure there are no lumps in it. Check the consistency. It should flow like dosa batter. If you are bored of eating regular normal dosas, do try these healthy dosas. You can have these dosas in your breakfast, in your dinner. Even it will help in your weight loss. Take a pan and grease little bit of oil. Now add ladle full of batter and give it a shape of dosa. Add little bit of oil. Now add grated carrot. Add chopped onions. Add chopped tomatoes. Add chopped coriander leaves. You can add your favorite vegetables, green leafy vegetables, by grating and chopping them finely. Cook on low flame. Now turn it and transfer it into a plate. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Do comment what kind of recipes you want to watch on this channel. Do like, share and subscribe the video. Your support matters a lot.